In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a premium auto dealership website with Claude. We'll keep this simple and focused, so you can get a clean, professional result fast. Start by opening a new chat with Claude. In the message box, you're going to write a clear prompt that tells Claude exactly what to build and how it should look and behave. The more specific you are here, the better the output will be. Describe the project like this. Ask Claude to create a simple, modern website for a local auto dealership called Prime Auto Deals. Specify that you want clean HTML and CSS with basic JavaScript only if it's needed. Emphasize that the site should be beginner-friendly, responsive, and easy to edit, so you can tweak content later without digging through complex code. Next, outline the sections you want. Include a home page with a strong, attention-grabbing headline and a few featured cars right up front. Add an About section that introduces the dealership and builds trust. Include an inventory section showing available vehicles with placeholder images, prices, and key details like mileage and model year. Ask for a services section that highlights financing, trade-ins, and maintenance. Include a contact section that makes it easy for visitors to reach out, and finish with a simple footer. Be sure to request a navigation menu at the top to link all these sections together, so users can move around the site easily. For design, ask for a clean, professional automotive style with readable fonts and a simple, cohesive color palette. Make it clear you want placeholder text and images throughout, so you can swap them for real content later. Remind Claude that the layout must work well on both desktop and mobile. Finally, request that the code be well organized and easy to understand, with logical structure, clear class names, and straightforward styling. Once your prompt covers all of that, click Submit. Claude will generate the website code based on your instructions. If you see anything that needs fine-tuning, like different colors, more featured cars, or alternate layout choices, just follow up in the same chat and ask for revisions in plain language. You can also ask Claude to separate the code into HTML, CSS, and a small JavaScript snippet if needed, so it's easier to manage. That's it. With a clear prompt and a single click, you'll have a polished starting point for a premium auto dealership website that's ready for your content and branding.